Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. And today we will do um, from Junior English reading comprehension. As you can see, I have written on the board the topic Cinderella and Junior English page number 6. Today is 15th of September 2020 Tuesday. But you know, as it is given, it is reading comprehension, so the story is not complete. Why? Because for reading comprehension we select any passage, any paragraph, and after reading that paragraph or passage, we do the question answer or consent related exercise which is given from the story, a story or lesson, whatever it is. So that is why it is not a complete story. It is a paragraph from the story, but you can watch the complete story. I will not include complete story in my video, today's lesson, English lesson. I will give a complete story and a song in description box. You can watch it and enjoy it, right? Now, I will share page number 6 from Junior English. We will read it, understand it, and after that we will do the question answer. Page number 6, as you can see on the screen, Cinderella ran to the garden and brought her godmother the finest pumpkin she could find, wondering how this would help her to go to the ball. The godmother scooped out the inside of the pumpkin, leaving nothing but the rind. Then she touched it with her magic wand, and the pumpkin was changed in a moment into a fine pouch, all shining with gold. After that, she went to look into the mouse trap, where she found 6 mice, all alive. She told Cinderella to lift the trap door up a little, and as each mouse came out, she gave it a tap with her wand. At once it was changed into a beautiful horse. This made a very fine team of 6 horses, all dappled gray in color. Now, I will read again. Listen carefully, because the exercise which we are going to do, it is in this passage. Cinderella ran to the garden. Where did she go? Into the garden and brought her godmother. As it is a story about Cinderella, she was a girl and there was a godmother who was a fairy. Student, do you know fairy? Have you ever seen in cartoon movies, in movies, fairy? Yes, this is a fairy. This is a picture of fairy, right? Fairy, godmother, fairy, right? And she is this. These are her wings, and it is magic wand, right? Garden and brought her godmother the finest pumpkin. As in your book, the picture of pumpkin has been given. Pumpkin. This is a pumpkin, and real. It is a vegetable. And in the story, uh, the pumpkin which is given in the story, this is a pumpkin. And I will tell you afterward that it changed into a what. She could find, wondering how this would help her to go to the ball. Now, ball is something where uh, uh, it is connected with the dancing. People go and dance. It is not common. It is not in our society, but in our English society, right? I can show you the picture as well. Okay, afterward, later on, I will share the picture of part. The godmother scooped out the inside of the pumpkin, leaving nothing but the rind. Godmother scooped out all the pulp from the inside of the pumpkin and leaving nothing but the rind. Rind is a hard skin, outer skin of a pumpkin. She took out all the pulp and only left the rind. Then she touched it with her magic wand. This is magic wand, right? She touched a pumpkin with magic wand and the pumpkin was changed in a moment into a fine coach. This is a coach, which I was talking about that I will tell you later on that pumpkin was changed into what? The pumpkin, when the godmother touched her magic wand to the pumpkin, so the pumpkin was changed into a fine coach, all shining with gold. After that, she went to look into the mouse trap. What is mouse trap? In a mouse trap in which the mouse is caught. This is a in a story. This is a mouse trap, right? Where she found 6 mice. How many mice were there? 6 mice, all alive. All were alive. She told Cinderella to lift the trap door up a little. Godmother asked Cinderella to lift the trap door up a little, and as each mouse came out, she gave it a tap with her magical wand. At At once it was changed into a beautiful horse. Each mouse changed into a beautiful horse. This made a very fine team of 6 horses. How many mice were there? There were 6 mice, and 6 mice were changed into 6 horses. Uh, this made a very fine team of 6 horses, or dappled gray in color. Dappled is marked with spot or round patches. Round patches, gray patches or round in a gray color on the skin of a horse, right? Now, again, page number 6, we have questions and you will do this question yourself. If once you read the passage and you do not understand, listen it the video and read again and find out the answer and write down it. It is very easy. Question number 1, 2, 3 you will do. First question is, where did Cinderella find the pumpkin? Right? So you will write the answer, the place where Cinderella found the pumpkin, right? What happened when her godmother touched the pumpkin with her wand, right? What happened? You will talk about pumpkin was changed in what? You have read it. What happened to the mice when she tapped them with the wand? What happened to the mice? Mice also were changed into something, and you will read and find out the answer. How will you write? As we have done before in previous lessons, that first we uh, uh, drop out the question word, just like WH word, where, what, when, right? And then did, do, and then we start writing. Just like, where did Cinderella find the pumpkin? You will start writing Cinderella. First word should be Cinderella. Find. We will write the past tense of find, found. Cinderella found the pumpkin, and then you will write the place. Right? In this way, you will write the answer. First, you will write the date, day, and then topic, Junior English, page number 6, and then neatly you will do your work. Now, students, we finish our class here. As I will not share a song, but you must listen it, right? And the story, some of children might have watched it and they know about the Cinderella, and those who haven't watched this video, watch it. You will enjoy it, right? So thank you. Allah Hafiz.